Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. The first one is a fun haunted house to stamp set and die set. Now they're really fun because it has spooky greetings and boo, and it has this really spooky haunted house, which is really fun. And I have a lot of fun samples to share with you on that one. Then I also have, which I'm really excited about, is I also have the triangle box. Now the triangle box is really exciting because it makes all of these fun samples, and I can't wait to share them with you. And it's so easy to put together. Now it comes with a ton of dies. Look at all these dies. And I'm going to share with you what they all are. But for example, there's 3 pieces. There's this one and this one and this one that make a cute candy corn. So that one's really fun, and they close in the back so you can close them up. Then there's this one here that makes the perfect watermelon, right? Then there's this one that makes the perfect cheese, and let me find the cheese. Oh, here's the cheese one. Oh, they didn't even use the real cheese one on this one, but that could be used for cheese or just decoration. Then there's this one that has a whole bunch of strips, and the strips are perfect for whiskers. So you can make a bunny or a mouse. Now, the mouse ears are included, but if you want to make a bunny, you're just going to use ovals. Die cut them and fold them and then put them on there just like that. How fun. Here's a cute one, save the date, and then you open it up and it says, will you be my bridesmaid and help me tie the knot, which is really cute. Now there's also this die here that has the 2 holes on it, and that is going to be a little hanger to hang it if you want to, so it can be a little ornament. So here's a little cute one that you could hang. Here's another one that you could hang for Christmas. Isn't that cute? Put a little gift in there. There's so many options. Here's a cute one. Oh, it comes with a little face. You can make a little bear. Here's a Christmas. Oh, here's a cute one for the Christmas tree. Here's another Christmas tree. Oh, here's another bunny. My team went crazy with these. Can you tell? A cute little bunny. Here's a little frog just made out of ovals and flowers. Isn't that cute? Let's see. Oh, here's just a little, it could be like a mouse one. Isn't that cute? Here's a Merry Christmas one. Oh, here's a little, Santa body. Isn't that cute? And then look at this one. You could also make it a piece of cake. Isn't that fun? I know, it's really easy. Now, the fun thing about it is it's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. I've actually already die cut it. So I've die cut it. It will fit in a standard machine, which is a very good news, right? And you're just going to fold it on all of the score lines. So you're going to fold it there. You're going to fold it there. You're going to fold it here. You're going to fold it there. Oops. You're going to fold it there. You're going to fold it here, here, there, and this one here, and then this one right here. And then you're always going to put on 99.9% of my items, you're always going to put adhesive on the tabs. Here's a tab, here's a tab, here's a tab, and here's a tab, okay? So we're just going to add adhesive to those. Let me grab a piece of cardstock for underneath me, and I'm going to get my adhesive, and I'm just going to add adhesive, adhesive, and those are the main ones. The bottoms I don't have to do right now, and I'm just going to bring it all together. So I'm going to start with this one, press from the inside, press, press, get a nice, clean, good adhesion, adhere it. Then we're going to bring it this way, and I'm going to fold it, and I'm really going to press to make sure it really gets a good seal. And I'm going to put my hand in there, and I'm going to press on this. There we go. And then I'm gonna, now if I want them to open it later, I can just leave it unsealed, and I'm going to put that little tab in there, and look at that, whoops. And we can, you need to, if that pops open like that, you just need to score it a little bit more. Use your bone folder. But look at that. How cute is that? That's my main box, right? Stands. Okay, then you have all these fun pieces. So you have these cute little circles with little fold lines, so you can make the little ears. For example, like this. You can make the little ears because the one side's going to be on the box, and then it's going to pop out. Then we have we have a face on there. We have a whole bunch of different options. Now, you can even, look at this. You can even use this circle to make those little peekaboos. This says happy everything. This says hi there. This one says with love. This one says hello. And isn't that fun? You could do that too as well. Now, let's look at some of our other samples that we have. We have this fun haunted house, which I know everybody's gonna go crazy for this one because it's so adorable. Haunted house. Ooh, let me move over here. Here's another cute one. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that fun with our spiderweb die? Our spiderweb die is very popular. Just a heads up on that one. If we have it in stock, get it quick. Here's a cute one. I haven't even opened from Catherine yet. So adorable. Here's another cute one on a step-up card. Oh, here's another one using the new Slimline. Everybody loves it. Look, 2 using the Slimline, which are so fun. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Are you ready for this one? Look at the gorgeousness of this one. This one is a game stopper. Isn't it beautiful? The little the little spider there, and you have the cute little house and things like that. So much fun. Now, we've also released on our website today a die brush. Many of you have one from another company or you need one. We decided Crafter's Companion has a really great one. It's purple. It's not pink, but it's purple. Purple's really good. And we just thought, you know what? Some of you might need this. So we have a limited amount of these in stock. If you really like them, we'll keep them in stock. But it's just nice. And what is it? It's when you die cut something and the paper still sticks in the die, you're gonna run the brush over the back of the die so the paper pops out. Isn't that easy? Easy, easy, and so much faster than anything else. So, my friends, go check out the website. If you're a club member, of course, you're getting the club discount and 15 to 20% off. You can't beat that, right? And if I went too fast on any of the samples, don't worry. They're all in our online gallery. You can go to our website, check out the gallery, and you can see all of these up close and personal. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.